Hey guys, so exciting moments. Just 2 days ago, February 24th, the new 4K edition of Excalibur came out. Now, for those of you who are about my age and love swords, you know how important Excalibur is for our community. For those of you who followed me, followed Dark Sword for all those years, you know what this means to me. For those of you who don't know, um, Excalibur came out in 1981, John Boorman film. As far as I'm concerned, still the best medieval type movie out there. There are some excellent ones, of course, The King, The Duel, and so forth. Excalibur, though, because of the music of Wagner, was insanely beautiful. Just fit in a whole battle scene and just became an iconic film. This movie, for those of you who know me and been following Dark Sword, you guys know that this movie changed my life. I was about 8 years old. My mother took me to watch Excalibur in the theater. I had never seen a sword before. I had never seen an armor. I had no concept whatsoever of the Middle Ages. Nothing. Not even cartoon. Seeing Excalibur on screen, I was blown away. It's just like from the start, first opening scene, I was like, wow. It was the first time seeing an armor, especially the way John Boorman made it. Beautiful armors, obviously shiny, highly polished, and it was just breathtaking, even for an 8-year-old kid. Um, I was blown away from beginning to end, like speechless, and that pretty much changed my world. I mean, after seeing the movie, I just went to the library and picked up whatever I can find about the Middle Ages, which back then, being in the Stone Age, was very difficult. It's not like today where we can, just go in any online store and find books about medieval knights and armors and swords. Back then, it was very different. So I'm gonna do an unboxing today, and to see what's in here, because I haven't even looked at it yet, haven't had time. So I'm gonna find out with you guys. And you know what? Usually I really don't care about unboxing. I never understood unboxing, but for this I understand it, because this is, it was an incredible film. And again, for people who collect swords and armors, this is the movie to watch. If you haven't seen it, watch it. I mean, Gladiator was a lot of fun. Spartacus was amazing. There's so many good movies, but I mean, I think that this one sets the tone for everything, really. So John Boorman's Excalibur, 1981, not the other remakes that came out much later that were completely different. But, so we're gonna unbox this. I want to show you what's in here. Disc 1 is the feature, Disc 2 extras on Blu-ray, Disc 3 bonus, limited edition Excalibur exclusive Blu-ray, and also a TV version of the film. So I've got a nice box with this on the cover. I used to have this poster. It was a huge poster, was about 6 foot high in my bedroom as a kid while I was in high school. So we got a kind of like a different rendition of the movie. The Queen. I'll show you guys. Mordred, Merlin, Morgana, which was John Boorman's daughter. She was 17 during the filming. And of course, John Boorman put her, well, first of all, she looks great. She looked great in the part, but also he picked her because he didn't have to pay her. It was her daughter. Lancelot, King Arthur. And that's John Boorman pulling out the prop from the stone. They used an interesting film there. They had a regular light with a green filter above the light and just splatter on the blade. And that's how you saw the green effect in the movie. Ah, cool. Got a movie poster, I guess. Yeah, that was pretty much what I had in my bedroom, but a lot bigger. So this is like 24 inches by probably 18 inches. And then on the other side, you also have the other poster. So it would be nice to frame this. Oh, cool. You get a booklet. So John Boorman in the back, Lady of the Lake. Seems like what, 100, what, 100 pages? 115 pages. Medievalism in Excalibur. It's well described. You and the Land Are One by John Boorman. Yeah, very nice. So great shots from the film. This was the final battle. Beautifully filmed. This is very nice. Cast and crew. Now again, I haven't seen it. I haven't read any of this, so. But I assume that they talk about how the movie came about and who the actors were, their history, I suppose. Yeah, actually, they're talking about Excalibur, Arthurian myths as well. So very nice for collectors. This is great. I mean, I love this. This is fantastic, especially for someone like myself, where the movie meant so much to me, and in my life, and basically, changed my life forever. Really, it made me do what I am doing now. So this is phenomenal. I would have freaked out as a kid having this. Medievalism and Excalibur. So kind of behind the scenes pictures, I guess. That's the first siege with Uther. Really nice. Of course, Captain Jean-Luc Picard. That was one thing as a kid, you have all these people in it, and then you don't watch Excalibur for another 10 years. I've seen it like maybe 13, 14 times. But later on in life, when I was about 20, I watched it again, probably for the 10th time. And all of a sudden, you start realizing, wait a minute, that's Patrick Stewart. That's Liam Neeson. There's all these great actors in it, which we didn't recognize as kids. This is really great for collectors. And it's really worth it. I mean, guys, it's really worth it. I haven't even looked at the quality yet, but 4K. It's really worth it because this is a limited edition box set, I guess, in some ways. So if you're a fan, if you're a sword collector, if you like this genre of film, you know what, really worth buying it, spending the money for it, instead of just downloading it, having the real thing. It's really great. I'm sure I'm going to enjoy all the interviews, bonus materials, and behind the scene. And of course, if you guys are interested, we also make the Excalibur sword, which is one of our customers' favorite swords. It also means a lot to me, just as much as the movie. So hope you enjoy this. If you have any comments, please share. Have a good day.